here I have come up with some healthy tips as promised to you. Today I am going to discuss about something very serious which many of us face every day, and that is insomnia or sleeplessness. It's very painful, and prolonged insomnia or sleeplessness can lead to many diseases. I know for people who are suffering from insomnia or sleeplessness, for them not able to sleep is a disease and it's very painful condition. But I can give you some very important tips and can show you some very easy yoga which you can do only after having your meal, that is after having your dinner and before going to bed. And friends, I give you a guarantee that if you practice these yogas and if you follow these tips, you will definitely slowly get rid of sleeplessness or insomnia. So first I'll discuss about the few tips and then I'll be going into the yoga. Today you can see me, I'm sitting on the bed and all in my night dress, and my dinner is over, and now I'm going to share you the tips. Keep your sleeping time fixed. Like for some people they sleep at 9 p.m, for some 10:30, for some 11. So please keep this time regular. Try to maintain this time. Don't do like one day you sleep at 8 p.m, another day you sleep at maybe 1 a.m, and the next day you are sleeping at 8:30. If you do this, your biological clock will get fully disturbed and slowly you will lose your tendency to sleep. Coming to the second point, keep a gap of minimum 2 hours or more between your dinner and your sleep. If your time to sleep is at 10 p.m, try to complete your dinner by 8, maximum 8:15, not after that. And supposing you sleep at 10 p.m, please, this is very important, get rid of gadgets, mobile, internet 1 hour before going to sleep. That is, after 9 p.m, you should not touch your mobile, your gadgets. Do not do this. It will disturb and hamper your sleep a lot. Instead, listen to some relaxing music. Do these yogas which I'm going to show it to you right now. Some of you, like me also, I have the habit of reading books. If you have that habit of reading books, read books, and before sleeping, when you are keeping off your mobiles, just you switch off the big light and switch on the dim light and make an environment for you to sleep. Your room should always be neat and tidy, because neat and tidy is always very soothing to eyes and you will have a nice sleep. Try to keep your bed sheet and pillow cover colors very soft and soothe. Try to use pastel colors as you are seeing this. This is pastel color. And before sleeping, wear loose dress. See, loose dress. Don't wear anything tight. The main thing is your body should be fully relaxed before going to sleep. So now I will be getting into the yoga part. So now I will be switching off this light.
Now putting on the dim light.
Now starting with the yogas which should be done on bed just before going to sleep. The music today which I am using as the background is a copyright free music only for sleeping purpose. This makes the sleep soothing. This is a very sound, relaxing music, the link of which is given in the description box. This is a copyright free music. You can use it in your own YouTube channel. Otherwise, you can listen to it. So now starting with the first exercise. For this you just need to sit in a relaxing pose as you can see me, and just relax. Keep your palms like this. Just breathe in and breathe out, keeping your eyes closed. Eyes should always be closed doing this yogas before going to sleep. So just inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth, but very slowly in a relaxing manner. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You can do this for 5 times. Keep your hands like this, elbows touching the bed, and on the other side stretch up, keeping your eyes closed. Slowly inhale and exhale. Everything should be doing very smoothly and slowly, so that slowly sleep is induced.
Now the other side.
Now we need to give a massage to our own body, because whole day our body gets through many strenuous things, and so just we need to give a massage. With your left hand you just give a massage to your neck in this way, and keeping this hand fully relaxed. Just see me. Coming to wrist, and now to palms. You will feel blood circulation as well as a warm massage. It's very relaxing and soothing. Now this hand. Close your eyes and slowly give a press to your arms. Gradually to your wrist and palm, maybe your fingers also, because whole day these are very much stressed. Now for feet.
So you can massage me also, my hand? Can you?
Of course, yes.
And
But it's better if you do it yourself, then you will get sleep immediately. Now for feet, same thing. Just give your feet a press, a gentle massage. It's so relaxing and soothing. Gradually, shin bones and knees. Whole day, our legs are so much stressed, isn't it? You'll feel so relaxed. Believe me, I'm feeling half asleep now. I don't know whether I can show you the full yogas or not, because I'm feeling so sleepy. Take a comfortable pillow and keeping in this position, place the pillow here and just go to sleep like this. You'll feel so relaxed. Your ears should be on the pillow, and just relax. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Count 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Now the next side. And keep your hands also fully relaxed. Count 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Amazing. I'm feeling so sleepy. Now stretch your legs forward. And Give a space. Again, place your pillow and relax. Just relax. Change your side. Now I'll show you another yoga which can help you in sleeping as well as in helping digestion. Lie down without pillow. Don't pull it, just give a support. In this way, you will get help in digestion as well as you will feel sleep. Close your eyes, relax and count 5. Change your side. You'll feel so comfortable. So this is the last exercise where you just need to relax. Put your palms upwards and eyes closed. You will feel your body heavily sinking inside the bed and keeping yourself fully relaxed. Take deep breaths slowly, and doing this you may fall asleep. So keep on doing this. This is a very relaxing yoga which is very necessary, and this is also known as Shavasana. So friends, thank you for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day and have a good sleep. Please follow my tips and yogas. Thank you.